Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Kiran Bendigeri from Grafosyss IAS. In this video, let's have a look at 6th standard science 6th chapter. So in this chapter hardly there are any points. It is just an observation stuffs. Changes around us. Many changes are taking place around us on their own. In the fields, the crops change from time to time. Sometimes leaves fall from trees, change color and dry out. The flowers bloom and then wither away. Are any changes happening in your body? Your nails grow, your hair grows, you grow taller, and your weight increases as you grow. These are the changes which we might have observed. Could there be other ways to bring a change? We all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools is fixed to the wooden handle? The iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. Now the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. This is the process by which the iron material stuffs are fixed into wooden material. This is the end of the chapter. Thank you.